Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury and adventure converge in spectacular style. We're delighted to present a recent trade-in, a beautiful 2012 American Coach American Eagle 42M with just 73,000 miles. This 43-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Spartan TAG AXLE chassis, showcases the opulent 42M floor plan with 3 huge slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 6 in unparalleled comfort. Adorned in the stunning Bronze Fusion full-body paint package with glossy gold, black, and white striping, this RV exudes elegance, powered by a mighty Cummins diesel engine. Buckle up for a grand tour to explore every luxurious detail of this exceptional coach. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2012 American Coach American Eagle 42M captivates with timeless sophistication. The Bronze Fusion graphics package, with its glossy gold, black, and white striping, ensures this coach turns heads at every campground or scenic stop. Spanning 43 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Spartan TAG axle chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 450 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless performance. Updated 2024 Michelin tires ensure reliability and style, making this RV ready for countless journeys. The exterior is packed with premium features to elevate your outdoor experience. A full pass-through basement storage compartment with 3 slide-out trays offers vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating. A power patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and window awning package craft a shaded, powering your travels is seamless with this all-electric RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a power slide-out service tray delivers robust power for off-grid adventures. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, paired with 2 Magnum inverter chargers and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and an AquaHot 450D hydronic heating system for hot water and furnace heat keep you comfortable year-round. Heated tile floors throughout, and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system add luxury and convenience, making this RV a standout for upscale travelers. Step inside, and the 42M floor plan unfolds as a spacious, elegant haven. 3 huge slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 6, perfect for families or groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a jackknife sleeper sofa, and a fold-out sleeper sofa in the front living room area. The front living area is a serene retreat with a jackknife sleeper sofa, a fold-out sleeper sofa, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats, ideal for cozy evenings or entertaining guests. A table dinette with 4 chairs beside a 42-inch TV offers a versatile dining and entertainment space, enhanced by heated tile floors and high-gloss cabinetry. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for seamless meal preparation. It boasts a residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, a dishwasher option, and pantry storage for all your cooking needs. The nearby dinette ensures comfortable dining for family meals or planning adventures. The 1.5 bath setup is exceptional, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, and a full-width rear bathroom with a huge shower enclosure, skylight, toilet, sink, vanity, and oversized wardrobe closet with a safe. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The rear master bedroom is a serene haven, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed and sleeper sofas provide flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family vacations or group getaways. Let's highlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 42M floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 6. The Cummins ISL engine and Spartan chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and all-electric systems support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the AquaHot heating, heated tile floors, and bronze fusion paint package add elegance, while the washer-dryer and central vacuum system boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2012 American Coach American Eagle 42M, exploring scenic highways, tranquil campgrounds, or coastal retreats with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, relaxing by the 42-inch TV, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends the comforts of a luxury home with the freedom of the open road, and its bronze fusion exterior ensures you arrive with unmatched style. With only 73,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this American Eagle is a standout choice. American Coach's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathrooms to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The bronze fusion paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The full pass-through storage with 3 slide-out trays makes organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The power awnings and hydraulic leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The jackknife and fold-out sleeper sofas create a perfect spot for family gatherings or unwinding after a day of exploration. The 42-inch TV and nearby dinette offer versatile entertainment and dining options, while the heated tile floors add a touch of luxury. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this American Eagle? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the aqua-hot heating, dishwasher, and spacious interior that make life on the road effortless. The 42M floor plan offers ample space for 6, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2012 American Coach American Eagle 42M is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with a stunning design. Reach out at 8642609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2012 American Coach American Eagle 42M. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2012 American Eagle 40.